The Hindu Summary 11th and 12th October 2016 1. World Mental Health Day, 10th October. World Mental Health Day is observed annually on 10th October. This year theme is Psychological First Aid. The day is annually observed with an aim to raise awareness about mental health issues around the world and mobilizing efforts in support of mental health. 2. International Day of the Girl Child, 11th October. International Day of the Girl is observed annually on 11th October. It is also called the Day of the Girl. The theme for this year's International Day of the Girl, 11th October, is Girls' Progress is equal to Goals' Progress. What counts for girls? On 19th December 2011, United Nations General Assembly adopted Resolution 66/170 to declare October 11 as the International Day of the Girl Child, to recognize girls' rights and the unique challenges girls face around the world. The International Day of the Girl Child focuses attention on the need to address the challenges girls face and to promote girls' empowerment and the fulfillment of their human rights. 3. Russia and Turkey agree to intensify military, intelligence contacts. The Russian and Turkish leaders have agreed to intensify military and intelligence contacts after a meeting in Istanbul, Turkey. After his meeting with Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, Russian President Vladimir Putin said, they have agreed on the need for aid to get to the northern Syrian city of Aleppo. The two countries have also signed a deal to construct 2 pipelines to send Russian gas under the Black Sea to Turkey. 4. India-Indonesia bilateral maritime exercise commences at Belawan, Indonesia. India and Indonesia has kicked off their bilateral maritime exercise at Belawan, Indonesia. It aims for cooperation in the field of maritime security. In a demonstration of India's commitment to its ties with Indonesia and to the maritime security in the Indian Ocean region, Indian naval ship Kamuk, an indigenously built missile corvette, based under the Andaman and Nicobar Command, along with a Dornier maritime patrol aircraft, is participating in the 28th India-Indonesia Coordinated Patrol and 2nd Bilateral Maritime Exercise. It is scheduled from 10 to 27 October 16 in the Andaman Sea. 5. Telangana redraws its map by adding 21 new districts. Telangana on 11 October 2016, had redrawn its map by creating 21 new districts. With these, the total number of districts of the youngest state of India went up to 31. Telangana, which came into existence on 2 June 2014 as the 29th state of India, started out with 10 districts. Besides, the state government also created 25 new revenue divisions, 125 new mandals, 4 new police commissionerates, 23 new police subdivisions, 28 new circles and 91 police stations. 6. MP to launch Lalima Abhiyan, to make state free from anemia. With an aim to make Madhya Pradesh anemia free, the state government has decided to launch a scheme Lalima Abhiyan that will be effective from November 1. Under the campaign, free iron folic acid tablets will be provided in Anganwadis, academic institutions and hospitals. 7. Union government to invest Rs 15,000 crore to increase Panipat oil refinery capacity. The Union government has decided to invest 15,000 crore rupees to increase the capacity of Panipat refinery in Haryana to 25 million tons from existing 15 million tons. It was announced by Union Minister of State, MoES, for Petroleum and Natural Gas, Dharmendra Pradhan at a function in Panipat. Besides, Indian Oil Corporation, IOC, will also set up bioethanol plant in Panipat with a cost of 500 crore to generate alternative fuel from agricultural residue which would boost agriculture sector. The expansion of Panipat refinery will help raise specifications of fuel quality from BS4 to BS6 to meet future demand. It will also create employment opportunities for the people and also help in raising quality of fuel in the country by the year 2020. 8. Standard Chartered Bank forms tie-up with Uber. Foreign lender Standard Chartered Bank has announced a tie-up with Uber under which its credit card holders, across 6 countries, will get a cashback of up to 25% for hailing cabs from the app. In India, the cardholders will get a 20% cashback on all Uber rides, subject to a cashback cap of 600 rupees per month. Additionally, first-time Uber users will get a discount of 50 rupees for the first 3 rides. 9. Morocco, Abdelilah Bikirain appointed for another term as PM. Abdelilah Bikirain, leader of Morocco's Islamic Justice and Development Party, was appointed as country's Prime Minister on 10 October 2016. This will be his second term as Prime Minister of Morocco. Mohammed VI, the King of Morocco, made the announcement after Benkirain's PJD party emerged with the most number of seats in the 395-seat lower house of parliament. Benkirain and the PJD will now reach out to other parties to form a coalition government, because the multi-party system in the kingdom makes it impossible for any political party to win an absolute majority. 10. Renu Paul appointed as the next ambassador of India to Austria. Former Indian Foreign Service officer Ms. Renu Paul has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Austria. Austria is a German-speaking country in Central Europe, characterized by mountain villages and Baroque architecture. 11. Nobel Prize in Economics 2016 awarded to Oliver Hart and Bengt Holmström. British-born Oliver Hart and Finland-born Bengt Holmström won the 2016 Nobel Economics Prize for their contributions to contract theory, helping the understanding of issues like the performance-based pay for top executives. Hart is economics professor at Harvard University while Holmström is professor of economics and management at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The Economics Prize, officially called the Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences in memory of Alfred Nobel, was established in 1968. 12. Chandigarh International Airports Limited, KIL, won IBC award. Chandigarh International Airports Limited, KIL, a joint venture company of Airports Authority of India and states of Punjab and Haryana, has been conferred with IBC award and trophy for excellence in built environment in infrastructure projects for new integrated terminal building of Chandigarh International Airport for the year 2014-15, at 21st Annual Convention inaugural function held in New Delhi. The award was presented by Shri Venkaiah Naidu, Minister for Urban Development, in presence of Shri Shobhit Uppal, President IBC, Shri D. Kamra, General Manager, Engineering Project, received the award on behalf of Airports Authority of India. 13. Virat Kohli presented with ICC Test Championship make. Indian captain Virat Kohli was presented with the ICC Test Championship make for leading his team to the top of the Test team rankings. The make was presented by former India captain and ICC Cricket Hall of Famer Sunil Gavaskar at a ceremony following the conclusion of the third and final test against New Zealand in Indore after the home team completed a 3-0 whitewash. 14. Indian